Yes, students, for making the blue drapery, I have given this base coat of the color cerulean blue. And now I am going to give the darker tone with the Persian blue. So, let's start. So, wherever you feel the darker tone, apply the dark color. So, as here I can see the dark tone. So, I am applying the dark color here, the Persian blue. Make a nice fold. And on this part, a lighter tone will be here. So, I am applying white color directly here because that will merge with blue color and make a lighter tone here. So, as you can see, so here also I will apply the white color to give a light tone over here also, so that the fold look properly. This light tone will enhance this fold. So here is the dark tone I am applying over here. Just merge this white color neatly in the background and apply cerulean blue here. So you can see this fold properly. So now in this area, again dark color is coming from here. It's the darkest tone here. Do it very neatly. It should not come on the object. So here is the darkest one. This is the dark tone. So here comes the middle tone. Now you can see the folds properly. Here again, some lighter one. You can use your 12 number round brush for giving these folds. So now here in this portion, dark fold is here. So use dark tone here and it will merge in it. So this is how it will go. Again